Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to have iPhone read articles out loud. To have your iPhone read articles out loud, you can use the speak screen or voiceover features. Here's how to do it. First, go to Settings, Accessibility, Spoken Content, toggle on Speak Screen. Now, go to Safari, open the article in Safari, then go to your chosen article website. Swipe down with two fingers from the top of the screen. This gesture activates the Speak Screen feature, and your iPhone will start reading the article out loud. Use the playback controls that appear to pause, skip, or adjust the reading speed. Last method, using VoiceOver. Go to Settings again, Accessibility, VoiceOver, then toggle on VoiceOver. Then open the article you want to read. Tap on the text and VoiceOver will start reading it out loud. You can swipe left or right to navigate through the text, and VoiceOver will read each sections as you go. These options give you flexibility to have your iPhone read articles hands-free whenever you need it. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.